Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Amarjeet. Now we are watching Expert Coding. So, how are you? I hope you will be good. So, today again I have come with a new video how to make Rangoli. This type Rangoli you can see on screen. This type Rangoli how to make using Python turtle. So, today I will make Rangoli this type using Python turtle. So, do you want to know? Then watch full video. Don't skip this video. So, let's go our desktop screen and open your text editor or there you doing program python you're making, so open your text editor and I will open Pycharm because here I make program python. So first here first here create a class, rangoli rangoli not fine. First here import turtle, so here import turtle st import turtle st. Next import colors, import sorry import color cell. Next background color bg color. What do you want? You give bg color. I will give black because black is looking so good, so I will give black. Hit enter. Next here give tracer. Sir, I will give 10, not much more. Next h is equal to g. Next here I will be using for loop, so use for loop for I in range. I will give 300, not much more. You can give 400. I don't give 100. Next, in stores C, color says dot read HSB RGB will give H 8 comma 1 comma 0 point R. Color says a store in C variable. Next here give H plus is equal to 0.006 0.006 and hit enter. Next here I'll give pen color RGB. I will give C because all color are stored in C variable C. So here put it C. Next fill color fill color also here put it C RGB fill color so here RGB. Next left left I will give 60. Then next forward I will give I into 0.1, only 0.1 into from I. Next right I'll give 9. I will give 9. Sorry, 9 here I will give 9. Next green color sorry being fill. Next three dot circle which type round this circle, which type circle, so make on your skin, so on your skin. I will give minus I into 0.3 90. Next hit enter. Next in fill then completed my program. Done. So successfully completed my program. Only 18 line program you can make easily in python turtle. So this coding you make you doing easily, you make easily. So I'm going for run this program. So file name and right click, done this program. So wow, beautiful. You can see very beautiful on so my desktop screen. So I hope you understood this program. So if you have any problem, so you can say in comment box. If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe my channel. So I see you in next video. Thank you.